Hello guys, welcome everybody to our YouTube channel. On this video, I discuss another important one linear general science question. Mainly in this part, we discuss chemistry, one linear question and answer. Already in the previous video, I already discussed 40 important one linear question on chemistry under general science. Okay, this is the part 2 of this video. So please, if you new our channel, please like, comment and subscribe channel for upcoming updates. Let's start the video. Next question 41. See the screen carefully and pause immediately and read it in your mind. Okay. Which gases are used by the sea diver for the underwater breathing? The answer is oxygen and helium. Okay. The next question 42. Dash and dash gases are helpful for the ripening of raw fruits. Okay. Mainly ethylene and acetylene, the same name. Ethylene is common name. Acetylene is a chemical name or IPA name. So mainly ethylene or acetylene are used for the ripening of food. Next go to 43. Dash, the dash found in an ore known as gunge, that is impurities. Impurity, the substance found in the ore known as gunge. Okay. Iron is exhibited from which ore? That is hematite. Okay. Siderite, maybe देखा so in the siderite, lignite. Okay. Kerosene is a mixture of dash, that is aliphatic hydrocarbon. Mainly kerosene is a hydrocarbon compound. Okay. Under coal, petroleum. Next question 46. Which element is used for the making lead pencil? That is graphite. Very common question. The lightest metal is lithium. Lightest metal is lithium. Gas is main ore of mercury, that is cinnabar. Cinnabar is the ore of mercury. Next goes to next 49 question. Which metal is found highest proportion in earth crust? That is aluminum. Very important question. Remember this. Which metal, which non-metal or gas, which non-metal is the abound in the surface? That is hydrogen. Which non-metal present in our human body high amount? That is oxygen. Which metal is found in the highest proportion in the earth crust? That is aluminum. Next 50th question. Mine explosion are mainly caused by the mixing of air and gas. Air and methane, जो कि एक greenhouse gas methane, it mixes with the air to cause of mine explosion. Okay. Goes to next question. That is 51. Okay. What is the compound used in the nail polish remove? That is acetone, a organic compound generally used to remove nail polish in your hand. Okay. Natural rubber is a polymer derived from dash, that is isoprene. Natural rubber is a polymer derived from isoprene. The coating of non-stick cookware is made of dash, that is PTFF, that is polytetrafluoroethylene, जो कि टेफ्लॉन भी also told us. Okay. The nuclear fusion of sun surface result in the formation of dash atom, that is helium atom. Two or more hydrogen atom combine form a helium atom. The organic compound are only soluble in dash, that is non-polar solvent. Okay. Going to next question, that is 56. Dash is also known as false gold, that is iron pyrite is also known as false gold. In 57 question, in an oxidation process, dash happen. Loss of electron is called oxidation. Gain of electron is called as reduction. So the answer is loss of electron. Oxide of metal are dash, that is alkaline. That is generally they are loss of capable of losing electron. So these are alkaline in nature. Ozone is dash in nature, that is dimagnetic in nature. Ozone. The chemical composition of paper is that of dash, that is cellulose. Okay, cellulose composed of cellulose. Going to next question, that is 61. Paraffin wax is a dash, saturated hydrocarbon. Paraffin wax is a saturated hydrocarbon. In the 62, which type of rock is petroleum is found? That is sedimentary rock. 63. Dash also called as white gold, that is platinum. Platinum also called as white gold. In question 64, which is the purest form of iron? That is wrought iron. 65. Which ore is used to extraction of radium? That is pitch blende. Pitch blende, that is a ore of radium used for the extraction of radium. Soldier is an alloy of dash. Tin and lead is called soldier. Tin and lead. Many more alloy also used in chemistry. Which radioactive isotope is used cancer treatment? That is cobalt 60, used for the cancer treatment. Dash is an element commonly to all the acid, that is hydrogen is a element or gas present in all acid. Dash is created by the alloying iron and chromium, that is stainless steel, iron and chromium to form stainless steel. In 70 question, the luster of metal is due to presence of free electron. Okay, remember this and just see this video. Automatically you will remember this in your mind. Okay, in 71 question, which mineral metal is found chlorophyll, that is magnesium, a metal found in the chlorophyll in plants. Most abundant element in the earth crust is oxygen. 73 question, in term of catalyst, which coined by term catalyst was coined by who scientists give term catalyst, that is John Jacob Berzelius, J.J. Berzelius, a term word catalyst. Next question 74 number, which element is the primary reagent for radioactivity found in the human body, that is potassium 40 is a potassium isotope 40 initial primary reagent for the found in the radioactivity in the human body. Next question, germanium an ultra pure metal is purified by which method, that is zone refining. Tooth enamel is a made of dash hydroxy hydroxyapatite, a mineral compound of calcium and phosphate, mainly hydroxyapatite, a complex metal which is made of mineral of calcium and phosphate, made of toothpaste enamel, ethanamel. Which gas is filled up in the tube light, that is mercury vapor and argon, mercury vapor also argon. In 78, gas is an aqueous solution of acidic acid, that is vinegar, is also called aqueous solution of acidic acid. Which vitamin are water soluble, that is vitamin B complex and vitamin C. Which silver turn black button is because it reaction with sulfur. Everyone know that silver back with sulfur. Going to next question. Melting of ice can be prevented with the use of dash, that is gelatin is used for the melting of ice, can be prevented. A bee sting contain which acid, that is methanoic acid, that is bee, maybe ant or bee, contain methanoic acid. In ant there is a formic acid present, in bee methanoic is present. An orange contain dash acid, citric acid. Next question 84, etching of glass is done with the help of dash, that is hydrochloric, etching of glass made up by the down of hydrochloric acid, HF, hydrofluoric acid, hydrofluoric HF. Which acid used for the softening, that is carbonic acid, H2CO3. Okay, which next question 86, silver iodide used as a need agent for making dash artificial rain. Okay, silver iodide mainly used for the artificial rain. Dash is used for the catalyst for the synthesis of sulfuric acid by the contact process, mainly platinum, a metal used for the synthesis of sulfuric acid. Vanaspati ghee is synthesized with the help of which catalyst, that is nickel. Vanaspati ghee generally synthesized by the help of nickel catalyst. Swelling of bread takes place because carbon dioxide present in the bread. Cigarette lighters contain dash gas na butane. Okay, the cigarette lighter matches is present in butane. So these are the 50 most important 1 million question and answer of chemistry, is a part of general science. So I hope if you got this video and see this video completely and in your mind. Okay, thank you for watching. Will you regular updates from the further part of this video, part 2, part 3. It is the part 2, part 3, part 4 of coming down in future time. So please subscribe this channel and share your friends. Thank you for watching.